Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is the continuation of the successive differentiation. So in the last class we have solved some problems on the Leibniz theorem. So today we will continue the same. First problem, if y equals to a cos of log x plus b sin of log x, then show that x square yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 into x yn plus 1 plus n square plus 1 yn equals to 0. So here also we follow the same steps, that is, first we differentiate y, then we get the y1, same, then differentiating y1 we get y2, then differentiating n times by Leibniz theorem, then we get the yn plus 2. Okay. First, given y is equals to a cos of log x plus b sin of log x. Okay, so now we differentiate this one. Differentiating with respect to x, we get y1 is equals to this a as it is, because it is constant. Cos differentiation is minus sign, so because it is sine or cos of log x, we write sine of log x into, we have to write the differentiation of this log x, that is 1 by x. Okay, next come to the next term, b as it is. Sine of log x differentiation is cos of log x into log x differentiation is 1 by x. Right, in the both we can take the 1 by x common. On taking 1 by x common, we get b cos of log x, we write the positive term first, then minus a sine of log x. Okay, next we send this x to the, so as I told you, wherever you, if you get the denominator, you better send to the LHS side. So on sending LHS side, we get x into y1 is equals to b cos log x minus a sine of log x. Right, now again differentiating with respect to x only. Now we get x as it is, y1 differentiation y2 plus y1 as it is x differentiation 1. So this side we get b as it is, again cos differentiation minus sign of log x into log x differentiation 1 by x. This minus sign as it is, a constant, sine differentiation cos, so we get cos of log x into log x differentiation 1 by x. Again we can take 1 by x common from these two and send this side. Okay, so that is, on taking 1 by x common and sending this side, we get x into this x of y2 plus y1 as it is. Here we get, we can take minus sign also, outside we get b sine of log x, minus into minus, plus a cos of log x. So we get x into x square y2 plus x into y1 equals to minus, so this is nothing but the given function, therefore we can write it as y. So because given y is equals to a cos log x plus b sin log x. Okay, this is the given function. Okay, now we further simplify this one, that is, we apply the Leibniz theorem for nth derivative, that is differentiating n times each term by Leibniz theorem, then we get, so first we apply for this theorem. So first we write the formula, nth derivative of u into v is equals to u as it is, nth derivative of vn plus u1 vn minus 1, sorry, here we write one constant, plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, that is we can write directly 2 into u2 vn minus 2 and so on. Okay, So then applying this formula to this each term, that is these two terms, we get x square as it is u2 sorry y2 differentiation yn plus 2 plus constant n as it is x square differentiation 2x, replacing n by n minus 2 we get yn plus 1 plus this n into n minus 1 divided by 2 as it is u2 means this 2x differentiation is 2, replacing this n plus 2 by n minus 2 we get plus 2 minus 2 get cancels, we get yn. So next term will be 0 because 2 differentiation is 0, therefore we get 0. So which is equals to, next term is plus, we differentiate this one, okay, again we treat this as u and this one as v. X as it is v1 difference y1 differentiation is yn plus 1 plus nth derivative, here I have written nth derivative. Next x differentiation, where one constant x differentiation 1 yn plus 1, replacing n by n minus 1 we get yn. So RHS side is minus 5, therefore its nth derivative will be yn. Okay, further simplifying we get x square yn plus 2 plus 2x and yn plus 1 plus n into n square. So this 2 to get cancels, n to n square minus n yn plus x yn plus 1 plus n into yn. So take this yn this side, we get plus yn equals to 0. So that is x square as it is yn plus 2 as it is. So in these two terms we can take x yn plus 1 common. On taking x yn plus 1 common we get 2n plus 1. Here in these 3 we can take yn common. On taking yn common we get n square minus n. So this side plus n and this one plus 1 into yn equals to 0. Plus n minus n get cancels. Okay, so then we get x square yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 x into yn plus 1 plus, so I have written this yn already. So here we get n square plus 1 into yn equals to 0. Okay, so this is the required proof. Okay, second problem, if y equals to log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square whole square, then show that 1 plus x square into yn plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 x into yn plus 1, so this is 2 minus n square yn is equals to 0. So here the given function is quite lengthy, so differentiation will be lengthy. Okay, solution, first write the given function y equals to log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square its whole square. Okay, now differentiating with respect to y, differentiating with respect to x, we get y1 is equals to, so see here carefully, first we have to write this x square differentiation, this power is 2, so it is of the form x square. So x square differentiation 2x means 2 log x plus square root of 1 plus x square, or so we have written this x square form differentiation, that means log of x square root of 1 plus x square whole square differentiation. Then into we have to write this function, that is log of whatever this function is differentiation. So log of x form differentiation will be 1 by x, but instead of x we have this function x plus 1 plus x square, right, into, now we have to write its differentiation. Okay, so it is composite function form, so we have to write its differentiation, that is x differentiation is 1 plus again square root x differentiation is 2 root x. Therefore, its differentiation will be 1 divided by 2 root. So, instead of x, we have 1 plus x square. Therefore, we write 1 plus x square into we have to write its differentiation. That's 1 plus x square differentiation will be 2x. Okay. So, I will write here 2x. Now, further simplifying this one. So, this is equals to, here we get 2 get cancels. This we keep this 2 log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square as it is into this x plus square root of 1 plus x square as it is. So in this bracket we take root of 1 plus x square LCM. This taking 1 plus x square LCM, we get here root of 1 plus x square plus this x. Now we can observe that these two terms are same. We can cancel these two. On cancelling these two we get, so and we send this denominator to the LHS side, we get 1 plus x square into y1 is equals to 2 log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square. So this is similar to, almost similar to the given function. So but here in, we have power 2 and here we have only power 1. Therefore on squaring on both sides we get power 2, that is squaring on both sides we get this square and square root get cancels. 1 plus x square y1 square, 2 square is 4. So this is log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square whole square. Now this is nothing but given function y. Okay, so since y is equals to log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square. So like this simplification is very important. Okay, so then Leibniz theorem will be easy if you simplify very carefully. So this is 1 plus x square y1 square. Now again differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 plus x. This is first function, treat this as second function. First function as it is, differentiation of second function. y1 square differentiation is 2y1 into y1 differentiation y2 plus, now y1 square as it is, its differentiation, that is 1 plus x square differentiation is 1 differentiation 0, x square differentiation 2x plus 4 y differentiation is y1. So in these two we can take 2y1 common, these two terms. On taking 2y1 common we get 1 plus x square into y2 plus here we get y1 2, 4y1, y1 get cancels, 2 ones are 2 2s, that is 1 plus x square into y2 plus y1 is equals to 2. Here we get x term, okay, and x term, this is x y1. Now differentiating this by Leibniz theorem, we get, differentiating each term n terms by Leibniz theorem, we get 1 plus x square as it is, y2 differentiation, that is nth derivative is yn plus 2 plus constant n into 1 plus x square differentiation 2x. So replacing n by n minus 1 we get yn plus 1 plus constant n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2x differentiation 2. Replacing n by n minus 1 in this, so n minus 2 we get yn. Next plus next term will be 0. Next we apply Leibniz theorem for this term, that is x into y1, we get x as it is, y1 difference, the nth derivative is yn plus 1 plus constant n into x differentiation 1. Replacing n by n minus 1 we get yn equals to, RHS side is 2, its differentiation will be 0. Next, further simplifying this one, we get 1 plus x square yn plus 2 plus 2x and yn plus 1 plus this 2 get cancels, n into 1, n square minus n yn plus this x yn plus 1 plus n into yn equals to 0. Or we get 1 plus x square yn plus 2 plus, in these two terms we can take x yn plus 1, we get 2x, x yn plus 1 taken common, we get 2n plus 1 plus, here we can take yn common, yn taking common, we get n square minus n, this plus n equals to 0. Plus n minus n get cancelled, so we can write it as 1 plus x square into yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 into x yn plus 1 plus n square yn equals to 0. So this is the required answer. So in the question, so it must be plus n square yn. Okay. Next problem, if y power 1 by m plus y power minus 1 by m is equals to 2x, then show that x square minus yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 x into yn plus 1 plus n square minus m square yn equals to 0. In this case, function y is not directly given. So if you differentiate here itself, we will get the answer will, the steps will be difficult. So therefore first we find the y value, that is we simplify y term, then we differentiate. Okay, so therefore we let y power 1 by m is equals to z, then y power minus 1 by m means it is 1 by z, so that is it is 1 by z. Now given that y power 1 by m plus y power minus 1 by m is equals to 2x, substituting these values we get z plus 1 by z equals to 2x. Okay, taking LCM we get z into, z taking LCM z into z square plus 1 equals to 2x, or it is equals to z square, we multiply this z to this side, we get z square plus 1 equals to 2xz, or z square minus 2xz plus 1 equals to 0. So now it is in the quadratic equation form. So we solve this by formula, that is we have formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here b value is, a value is equals to 1, b value is equals to minus 2x, and c is equals to 1. Thus we get z is equals to, minus b means minus into minus plus 2x plus or minus square root of b square means it is 4x square minus 4ac is equals to 4 divided by 2a means it is 2. In this 2 we can write 2x plus or minus, in this 2 we can take 4 outside, root of 4 is equals to 2, so we get square root of x square minus 1 divided by 2, or we can take 2 common. On taking 2 common we get x plus or minus square root of x square minus 1 divided by 2 get cancels, thus we get z is equals to x plus or minus x square minus 1. So now we consider positive sign, you can consider positive or negative. Okay, considering positive sign, we get z is equals to x plus or x plus square root of x square minus 1, or you can start with z is equals to x minus square root of x square minus 1 also. Okay, here I have taken z is equals to x plus x square minus 1. It is z means it is nothing but y power 1 by m, because in the starting we have taken y plus 1 by m is equals to z. Therefore, we get y power 1 by m is equals to z is equals to x plus or minus, x plus square root of x square minus 1. That is, y value will be, so send this 1 by m to this side, we get x plus square root of x square minus 1, power becomes m. Okay. Now we got y value, okay, which is in the simplified form. Differentiating this one, y1 is equals to y power x power m differentiation m into x plus square root of x square minus 1 power m minus 1 into, we have to write differentiation of this bracket, that is 1 plus root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x, and x square differentiation is 2x. Okay, so thus y1 will be m into x plus square root of x square minus 1 power m. So here see this, in this bracket we can take this 2 to get cancels, we can take square root of x square minus 1 common. On taking x square minus 1 into this square root of x square minus 1 is square root of x square minus 1 plus this x. So now you can observe that these two terms are same. Sorry, here we have power minus 1. These two terms are same, bases are same, powers can be added, its power nothing but 1. Okay, so that means we send this denominator to the LHS side, we get square root of x square minus 1 into y, this m as it is. Now bases are same, power can be added, therefore this x square root of x square minus 1 whole power plus m 1 minus 1 get cancels, we get power m, or it is equals to square root of x square minus 1, y is equals to, so this is y1 is equals to, this is nothing but the function y, because we have y is equals to this one. Okay, therefore y is equals to x plus square root of x square minus 1 whole power m. Now squaring on both sides, we get x square minus 1 y1 square m square y square. Now again differentiating with respect to x only, we get x square minus 1 as it is, y1 square differentiation 2y1 into y2 plus y1 square as it is, x square minus 1 differentiation 2x equals to m square as it is, y square differentiation it is 2y into y1. Okay, now on taking 2y1 outside, we get x square minus 1 into y2 plus, already we have taken x 2y outside 2y1, so we get simply x into y1 equals to m square 2y into y1. Here y1 get cancelled, 2 get cancels, so we get x square minus 1 y2 plus x into y1 equals to m square y. Okay, now differentiating each term n times by Leibniz theorem, we get so this is u and v, this is u and v, right? First we apply for this term, that is x square minus 1 as it is, y2 nth differentiation will be yn plus 2 plus n into x square minus 1 differentiation 2x, replacing n by n minus 1, we get n plus 1 plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into this 2x differentiation is 2 into yn. Next term will be 0 plus its term, this second term differentiation, so that is x as it is, y1 plus y1 nth derivative is yn plus 1 plus n into x differentiation 1 replacing n by n minus 1, we get yn equals to, here RHS side m square constant, nth derivative of y is yn. Okay, now further simplifying this one, we get x square minus 1 yn plus 2 plus 2 xn yn plus 1, here n into n square minus n, 2 get cancels into yn plus x into yn plus 1 plus n into yn. So take this RHS side to the LHS side, we get minus m square yn equals to 0. Okay, so thus x square minus 1 yn plus 2 plus, in these two terms we can take this x into yn plus 1 common, we get 2n plus 1 plus, now in these three terms we can take yn outside, that is yn taking common, we get n square minus n plus n minus m square into yn already written, it equals to 0. So this is equals to, here plus n minus n get cancels, we get x square minus 1 yn plus 2 plus this is 2, so not 2, this is x, 2n plus 1 into x yn plus 1 plus n square minus m square into yn equals to 0. So this is the required answer. Okay, next try this problem by yourself. This is almost similar to the last one, this problem. Okay, so because its result also same, so instead of x square minus 1 we have here 1 plus x square, but remaining all the steps are same. Okay, so answer will be quite different, but the final answer is same, so only this one is changed. Okay, so in the next video we will start the new chapter.